Hi everyone, today's project is going to be the jagged ladder paracord bracelet. So to tie this one, I just want to start off with 3 180cm lengths of paracord. I'm going to use 2 of one colour and then 1 of another colour, and I just want to set aside this black one for the time being and start with these 2 orange ones. Just want to pinch them off here and then feed out a length that's about equal to the length of the bracelet you want to tie, and then another 10 to 15 centimeters to tie the button for the loop and button closure. So we should have our 2 longer lengths here at the top and the 2 shorter lengths down at the bottom. We just want to start by taking this right hand side over those 2 strands, then the left one over, then we're going to take it behind here and then up through that left hand loop, and then we can just tighten that up gently but not all the way, just leave 2 little loops, and we're going to feed our black cord through those loops. So I just want to take this black cord up through that right and then down through the left, and then I want to feed it through until it gets to the halfway point. So the midpoint of those, or this black cord, is about there. Now I can just tighten this knot up. And we can start the process. Just want to arrange your cords so you have the 2 orange ones in the middle, then the 2 black, and then 2 orange at the side. I want to take this black, just come over those 2 center pieces, and then the left hand black one, you want to come behind those 2 center pieces and just pinch it off here at the middle. And I want to take this right hand orange piece down behind and then through that loop here on the right, and then pull that all the way through. And then this left hand I want to take down and then through the loop on the left. Pull that all the way through, and I just want to tighten that up by pulling those 2 black cords, and then these orange cords we tighten by pulling upwards. So we'll just firm that up, and then once we have that firm, we can just pull out this black cord here at the top a little bit, and that is going to be our loop for the button. So that is the first one done, which is generally the hardest one. It gets easier now, a little bit less fiddly. We want to take that black strand over the 2 center ones here, and the left hand black one behind the 2 center ones, pinch it off, that right hand strand over, behind, and then through that loop. Pull that through, and then repeat again here over, behind, and through that loop. And pull that through. Again, we can tighten that up. Just pull the black strands, and then these orange strands tighten by pulling upwards, and then firm the whole lot up just by pulling all 4 strands. And then we just need to keep repeating that process, exactly the same. This right hand black strand over both those middle ones, the left hand black strand behind those middle ones to make 2 loops. Then we want to take the orange strand down around behind and then through that right hand loop, and then pull it all the way through. And then repeat with the left, over, behind, and then through. Pull that all the way through and tighten it up. And then we just want to repeat that exact same stitch until we get this bracelet as long as we need it. Once we get the bracelet the length we desire, we just need to snip and singe these outer strands and leave these 2 center ones, and then we're going to tie a button knot here with these 2 center strands. So once you've cut and singed these end strands, we just need to tie the button, and the simplest way to do that is to do an overhand knot. We'll just do that by forming a loop and then tucking the ends down through that loop, and then just tightening that knot up. That's the simple overhand knot button. And then you just need to snip and singe these ends off here, and you're done. Or if you want to tie the more ornamental diamond knot like I've done for this bracelet here, I'll leave a link on the screen here somewhere for a tutorial on how to tie the diamond knot. And that's the finished piece.